Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Have you read your rights?
Yeah.
You understand those rights and the options they give you? All right, let's see what the deal says. You're going to plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person. We'll dismiss registration or plate civil infraction, no insurance civil infraction, and drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied misdemeanor. Right? You understand that when Secretary of State sees this deal, they're probably going to suspend you for a little bit more time. Yeah, they might resuspend you. You understand that's a possibility? Because this will show them that you were driving when you weren't supposed to be driving. You follow me? All right. And understanding your rights, understanding your options, understanding the possible penalty for the no valid operator's license. Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Yeah, but you're doing it because you decide that's the best deal for you, not because somebody's making you. Yeah. So did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? That was February 19th. I will accept your plea and dismiss all the other stuff in keeping with your agreement with the prosecutor. All right, are you working? Where do you work? How long have you been there? Okay. Anything else you want me to know?
I want 2 kids,
All right, how old are they?
6 and 2.
So 6-year-old's probably in school. Okay. And what kind of shift do you work on the job?
I work on 11:30 to 7:30, so throughout the day.
All right. So normally I would order work program, but that's going to cause you some extra problems. So instead of 4 days on the work program, I'm going to order 30 hours community service. What that means is charity work, literally any nonprofit. If you get inventive, you'll be able to find some place where you can go volunteer. The kids think you're taking them somewhere fun, and you can kill a couple birds with one stone. Understood? And I'm going to give you until July 1. So go downstairs at the front counter, far end, ask them for the community service list, and we'll give you a list of organizations in our area that are pre-approved. You don't have to work from that list. You can find any nonprofit. If the IRS has them registered as a nonprofit, I'll accept the hours there. All right. If you're not working off our list, before you do the work, you might want to come in and have us confirm that the place you picked will approve, because you don't have time to waste doing 30 hours that I don't accept. All right. Fines and costs are $500. Can you pay that today, or do you need options on that? Go downstairs, front counter, where you get all that stuff. Any questions? Good luck. Elijah Lee.
In this courtroom case, Irwin appeared without an attorney to address allegations related to driving while her license was suspended, revoked, or denied. During the proceedings, the prosecution and Irwin reached an agreement in which she accepted responsibility for not having a valid operator's license on her person. In exchange, several other related violations, including registration and insurance issues, were dismissed. Before accepting the plea, the judge carefully explained that the outcome could still have consequences with the Secretary of State, potentially leading to additional license suspension because the incident would remain on her driving record. After reviewing the agreement, the judge formally accepted the plea and dismissed the remaining charges. The hearing then shifted to Irwin's personal circumstances, where she explained that she is a working mother raising 2 young children while maintaining a demanding work schedule. Taking these responsibilities into account, the judge showed flexibility and understanding, choosing to explore an alternative solution rather than placing her into a work program penalty. The case highlighted how courts often balance accountability with an individual's real-life challenges when determining a fair outcome.